Oh, they clean. Like F on the ground, it's raw power, bro.
Yo, what you think about the Z?
It's not a Z, it's a jet.
Quick vibe check. Oh yeah. All right, man. Tell me what you got going on, man. Let me see the fit.
Come on, now. Little song slight, little song slight.
Little song slight.
Yeah. I mean, when are you there?
All right, Zaire. Man, tell me what you got. What you working with, man? What are these right here, man?
Off-white Bolt Air Forces, man. This is kind of hard to get. It wasn't on StockX. This is more crummy. Los Angeles, because you know I'm in Los Angeles. Supreme bag for the Zaza, you know.
Big Zaza. My boy out here flexing. He doing it big, man. Check him out, man. Check him out.
They ride to the store and never open back up.
Jeez, they got all the babes. Them jobs hard.
Nah, these are hot.
Yeah. Nah.
You ever been to store before?
Nah, it's first time.
Welcome to Store Revival. We start small, little, larger size. We got brand new on this wall, used on the other wall. Everything that we got out to everything we have, so I recommend finding your size. Being like size 8, this column will be 8, smaller and then larger size from there. Same system on both walls, but used, brand new. Y'all got any other questions, let me know.
With the blood? I can't get rid of them, man. Nobody buys. Yeah, nobody. How much you looking for? I mean, I'll sit on them because I know they're gonna go up in like 5 years. You know what I'm saying? But like that?
Nah, I'm gonna take it with that.
Oh, okay.
I got you, dog.
Not a mistake.
Headed to Cool Kicks right now. Oh yeah, we here with it. We here with it. Y'all ready to walk in this? Let's get it. Cool Kicks with it. Came to Crenshaw for the one time with the homies. Rest in peace to the GOAT, for sure.
Oh my God! What is? What is this?
You gonna smile?
Nah, they fire.
Oh, they clean.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, good.
For sure.
Baby.
Can't make cane
Big Luke.
in LA.
Yo, you going?
Let me see, check, let me see.
Yes, sir, boy.
Hey, where we at, man?
Big Cali. I'm talking about big LA with it. That dual clutch. Are they stick? Nah, it's dual clutch.
Yeah, dual clutch. Sheesh! Took the homies out to their first SoCal car meet. What y'all think? What y'all think?
It's valid. I like it. I love it here.
Bro, what you think?
Staying right, boy.
Yo, what this thing crazy, huh? These boys out here is deep. This is crazy. Skinny's world. This is tough. This is tough. Hey, look right here, bro.
Bro, that's me. Give me like 2 years.
Facts, bro. Hey, you gotta manifest it now, dog. Ain't that right?
Yo, that's.
You gotta manifest it now. Yo, look at the color on the McLaren too.
Whoa, that go crazy. Like all that money on a car and still have all that money to modify like when you went with no problem.
Facts,
it's
bro.
Just crazy.
Super clean.
Bro, I can't find this guy.
Dang, this thing is mint, bro. This thing is sick. I love the seats. I don't even know what seats these are. Oh, Recaros. Dang, super sick. Okay, first 240 I've seen here. Yes, that's his IG. Go ahead and tap in with the homie. Super sick. It's a drift car for sure, dog. Only thing it needs, you already know I'm gonna say, is a tow mate, but other than that, this thing is clean. Pretty clean. I like the wide body too. Sick. This one is super really crazy. Meaty tire setup. It's LS. Full charged. Sheesh. That's sick. Look at that, bro. Freaking masterpiece.
LS swaps.
This is so sick, bro. So sick.
Wait, alright.
True S15.
Bro, this one is clean. Hurricane?
Sheesh.
This is my favorite car. Like, on the ground, too, like, bro, look at it.
She liked the cars. And they got the Nismo GTR. That's sick. Definitely my style, my era, for sure. Super sick. A carbon hood. Crazy. Zaire pulled up on me. He saw the Z for the first time. Hey, what you think, man? What you think about the Z?
It's not a Z, it's a jet.
Hey! He said it's not a Z, it's a jet. I appreciate that, bro. Hope, hey, next time you come, for sure, I'm gonna have it done, and that way we can take it out. Hey, what you think of the Z, bro?
Man, that thing right there, but that thing right there. Man, they got that on raw power, bro.
Yo.